Hey there, everyone. I am finally going to remove my nails today. So they actually lasted for 2 weeks. I did the Peel It Off base coat. Just today, I was squeezing lotion out of a bottle. I really shouldn't have been doing it, but I accidentally hit my nail really hard and this finally lifted. So I'm about to run a couple errands, but we're going to be going ahead and removing these nails today. So stay tuned. Hey, everybody. So like I have said, I've had these nails on for over 2 weeks. It is Monday. I did my nails 2 weeks ago on a Saturday, so it's been 2 weeks and 2 days. I'm so excited the fact that they lasted so long, and I did them like with the Peel It Off base gel. So first step is to go ahead and saturate with oil, and then we're going to go ahead and pop off at the edge. So we're going to see what my nail is looking like under here. I'm just like so obsessive with the oil. Okay, we're just not even gonna talk about it. I go like super hard with the oil. Okay, but I'm just gonna barely lift this up. Look at my nail. It looks so good. There's no damage back here. It came up super clean. It's really great. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go into the other nails and just gently lift at all of the edges. Okay. The fact that I've had these on for so long, I'm just amazed that this is how I can take my nails off, is to just gently lift here. Okay, so I'm just going to go around to all the nails and just gently lift. Okay, and then we're going to figure out our best angle to go in and slide the nails off. But first you want to make sure that you're lifting at all of the corners, and then I'm going to go in and add more oil so that it gets underneath the nail, and then we'll pull it off. I just like to make sure that it's nice and oily so that we're not ripping it up from the nail. Okay, so I've lifted at all of the edges, and now I'm going in and adding a little bit of oil. I kind of hit the edge just a little bit, just so that if whatever lifting, it'll go underneath. So now that we have all of it on, it's the moment of truth. Let's get in here and lift this up. I really don't like to feel like any sort of pressure. So when I start to feel any sort of pressure, I stop and I like to add more. Oh God. See what my nail looks like. Pretty good. The edges of my nails all look just a little damaged because, as I said in my previous videos, I was kind of being too aggressive and ripping them up. I'm being as gentle as I can. Lord. The fact that they've been on for 2 weeks and are still coming up very easily, I'm really happy about it. Okay. Take the last nail off of here. Take the last nail off of here. how amazing. But no peel off left. It all came up. That little bit of discoloration still growing out. We are still on the come up with these nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to do my next set, and I just love that I was able to wear these for 2 weeks and pop them off in less than 10 minutes. I just feel like you cannot get any better than that. I used to spend $150 in the nail salon getting my nails done. I did wear them for 4 to 5 weeks, and then I had to go in and soak them off and have them redone. But the fact that this is just so much easier, my nails are just really on the come up. I just really hope that you're enjoying these videos, and I will see you in my next set. Okay, bye. Peace and blessings.